everyone, welcome back to Trailhead Ranger and Jay. And today we will be doing Salesforce Order Management module. In this, we will be talking about order management, what it is, how it can be done, and what is the order life cycle is. So let's get started with our first challenge, that is get started with Salesforce Order Management. We have already opened it here, and it is talking about all that, what is order management, what is the order life cycle, how the order processes. So you can go through it, and if we will go to the quiz. First is true or false, that is order management is a complex process that includes everything that happens to an order between the time a customer presses the buy button to the time the merchant delivers the order products, including post purchase service request. So I'm not sure about post purchase service request, but yes, everything including that it does. So let's click on true. And the four things does a customer centric order management system provide. It is fast and easy shipping, transparent order tracking, convenient service, and hassle free returns. So let's check our challenge. So it's completed. Let's go to the next unit. It is talking about order management console. So order management console looks like this. First is a list of records, that is order in different statuses. Second is the navigation menu or the record which is opened. Then the third is total subcard which shows the cost splitting. Then fourth is the highlight panel, and then fifth is the summary of order payment, shipping addresses, all the related records to the order summary. Then sixth is actions and recommendations. So we have created actions related to cancel item, return item, refund, or discount, like those. These are the flows and actions. And then seventh is related list quick links. So let's move on. Customize the order management console. We can move it around, we can change it, we can add custom components, and so where do you access order records in the order management console? In the navigation bar. True or false, the order management console shows all order information at a glance and includes tools to help you manage and service orders across every stage of the order life cycle. Yes. Next challenge, that is use order summaries to manage order. Okay, let's go to the challenge directly. First is, which of these is true about an order summary? That it represents a single view, the current state of an order. It is not affected by change orders. It does not change after it is created, and it can be used to report booking. So first one. Second is, when an order is received, Salesforce Order Management creates which of these record? Order summary, change order, order. So order summary it creates, order as well. So A and C. Let's check our challenge. Okay, so we have successfully completed this challenge as well. Let's move on to the next one, that is streamline order fulfillment and payment processing. Okay. First question is, before you automate your workflow, what information do you need to collect? The names of all your customers, all the steps in your fulfillment workflow, the locations of all your fulfillment centers, the amount of time. So, location. True or false, once created, a fulfillment order cannot be manually updated. Yes, we once created, we can update our fulfillment order. So, false. And for this one, I guess all the steps, the location will be coming in later. So let's check. It's done. Our next challenge is that is implement distributed order management. In this unit they are talking about that what is distributed order management. So it is basically a process in which we can optimize our fulfillment workflows to deliver orders on time and with least shipping costs, and uh, deliver the product. And then what is the automated order routing, how it can be done. So let's go to the challenge. First is true or false, distributed order management let you optimize your fulfillment workflows to efficiently deliver orders on time and at the lowest cost from all of your locations. Yes. Second is which action lets you optimize fulfillment by minimizing the number of split shipments used to fulfill an order. That is find routes with fewest splits. Okay, so we are coming near to our end, not our end but to end to this module, that is connect B2C commerce, Salesforce commerce and service cloud. So we are bridging the gap between commerce and service. And then okay, so first question is when Salesforce order management is paired with service cloud, a service agent can do which of these? View a customer's order history in the service console, place order on a customer's behalf, change fulfillment locations, delete the original order record. He can check the customer's order history in service console. Second is when a service agent processes a cancellation for an order item, which of these things happen? A change order is created for the cancellation. Order product totals and order product quantities are updated on the order summary. A credit memo is created to reconcile the cancellation amount. So first and second. So yes, we have completed all the challenges of Salesforce Order Management and we have received this badge, that is Salesforce Order Management. I hope you got to learn about what is order management, how it can be done, how it is useful in on which cloud it is using, and how it is connected to service cloud and how we can connect it to service cloud. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe the channel. I'll be pasting the link of this trailhead into the video. And also if you have any question, doubt or any opinion or any suggestion that on which trailhead module, super badge or anything I should make a video, please let me know in the comment section. And yes, stay tuned. Thank you.